It's the document that starts it all, the petition for dissolution of marriage. So how do you draft it? That's what we're going to talk about right now. Hey everyone, welcome to Illinois Divorce TV, where we break down everything related to divorce and custody in Illinois. I'm attorney Robert Buchanan. Now let's dive in. All right, so you're exploring your divorce options and you're trying to figure out whether you can get this done without a lawyer. Maybe you can do some of the legwork to save yourself a few bucks. I've said it many times and I'll say it again here. Even if just for a few minutes, you should talk with a lawyer about your situation before you decide whether the DIY divorce is right for you. I don't want you to miss something obvious that could really hurt you financially down the road. I also need to say that the information in this video is just that, information. It's not advice. I don't know your situation. I can't give you advice. I'm not telling you to do things one way or the other. I'm not your lawyer. Duh. I have a passion for teaching, so I'm teaching you about the process of drafting a petition for dissolution of marriage. Nothing more, nothing less. The petition for dissolution of marriage is generally a 1 to 3 page document that is your formal request to the court to end your marriage. The minimum contents of the petition are established by statute. Specifically, the statute is 750 ILCS 5/403. The statute says that each petition has to include, and here we go, the age, occupation, and residence of each party and their length of residence in this state, the date of the marriage and where it was registered, whether a petition for dissolution of marriage is pending in any other county or state, a statement that irreconcilable differences have caused the irretrievable breakdown of the marriage, the names, ages, and addresses of all living children of the marriage, and whether either party is pregnant. Any arrangement as to support, allocation of parental responsibility of the children and maintenance of a spouse, and the relief sought. So that's the bare bones requirements. No attorney writes the petition from scratch. They use a template or a previous draft from another case and they modify it to the current case. If you're considering drafting a petition yourself, you have a couple options. There are 2 great websites that are free where you can get your hands on a petition. The first one is IllinoisLegalAid.org. IllinoisLegalAid.org is an amazing modern website that is full of information about all areas of the law. One of the coolest parts of the website is their document generator, and it has inspired me to build my own document generator. They have different interviews that guide you through a series of questions and then pump out the legal documents you need. Fair warning, there are no guarantees that these documents are going to protect you in the best way possible, and there are no replacements for a lawyer's skill drafting. They are good for people that either have no other option or have a high tolerance for risk and want to save some money. I'll put a link in the description to the Illinois Legal Aid page that'll help you draft a petition. There is one specifically for divorces without children and one for divorces with children. Your other option are the standardized forms published by the Supreme Court of Illinois. These forms are meant to be printed off and filled out by hand, and they include instructions that answer common questions. I'll put a link in the description to that as well. The other option that you have for drafting a petition for dissolution of marriage includes requesting a form at the courthouse, which they may or may not have, and you can also pay for a DIY service online. There are quite a few DIY services. The ultimate question is whether these DIY services offer more value than the Illinois Legal Aid website, which is completely free. I'll be doing a comprehensive review of the major DIY websites in future videos. So there you have it. Ready to get your case filed? Check out my videos on how to e-file. Let me know in the comments what you want to hear about next week. Check out the description below and my other videos for more info. And don't forget to subscribe. You got this.